Hi, welcome back to my channel, the Tooth Talk Studio. I am Dr. Veena, General Dental Surgeon at Ashirvad Dental Clinic, Kudur, Bangalore South District. Have you ever looked at your dentist and wondered, is it the same dentist who fixes my bite, extracts my tooth, or whitens my smile? The truth is, dentistry is a massive field. Just like medicine has cardiologist and gynecologist, for example, dentistry has its own specialized branches, namely 9 branches, which deals with complex procedures. Let it be a routine cavity, a complete jaw alignment, or a chipped tooth from playing any sport. There is a specific dental expert trained exactly for that job. In today's video, we are breaking down 9 recognized dental specialties. We'll look at what each specialist does, importantly, how they can help you achieve the best smile of your life. Let's dive in. Branch number 1, oral medicine and radiology. Ever wondered how your dentist can spot a hidden cavity or issue in your jawbone by looking at an X-ray? This is where this branch plays a major role in. Oral medicine. It diagnoses and manages medical conditions and diseases related to the head and neck region and the oral cavity as well. For example, burning mouth syndrome, precancerous condition and lesions like lichen planus, leukoplakia, and oral cancer. Radiology, the imaging powerhouse. We basically use 4 X-rays in dentistry, namely the bite wing, the OPG. Third one, the lateral cephalogram, and an advanced X-ray which is called a CBCT. These scans help to identify what's happening below the surface. Branch number 2, orthodontics, the smile perfectionist. They focus on diagnosing, preventing, and treating irregularities of your teeth and jaw. People generally visit the orthodontist when they have gaps between their teeth, when they have small size of the jaws. So these specialists widen the jaws and then put braces so that the teeth are aligned and give them a perfect smile. They are also they also treat overbites, underbites, and crooked teeth and crowded teeth. A properly aligned bite makes it easier to clean your teeth, reducing the risk of decay and gum diseases. Branch number 3, endodontics, the root canal specialist. If you ever have throbbing, unbearable toothache, this specialist is your best friend. When a cavity gets so deep that it reaches the pulp tissue, which is the third most layer of the tooth, or you have a crack of your tooth, these specialists remove the pulp tissue, disinfect the inside of the tooth, and seal it up and place a crown. While many general dentists usually perform root canal procedures on a daily basis but will refer complex cases to the endodontist. Branch number 4, periodontics, the gum care experts. They focus on everything that surrounds the tooth, that is, the gums, the bone, and the connective tissue. They prevent, diagnose, and treat gum diseases. If left untreated, gum diseases can lead to gum loss, bone loss, and eventually loss of the tooth. They do cosmetic procedures like gum lift to fix gummy smiles in patients. Branch number 5, pedodontics or pediatric dentistry, the kid expert. They treat children from infancy through teen years. They have the expertise and patience to handle unique dental needs of the patients like infants. There are toddlers, preschoolers, teens, and including those who have special needs. They focus on child development, behavior management, and sedation technique for these little ones, especially those who are uncooperative to get themselves treated on a dental chair. Branch number 6, prosthodontics, the smile restorers. These are the master craftsmen who replace the teeth, especially the missing tooth using dentures, dental caps, bridges, or implants. They usually help us they usually help us in having a brighter and a good beautiful smile, as they handle full mouth reconstruction, facial jaw restorations, post cancer surgeries. Branch number 7, oral and maxillofacial surgery. This is a surgical branch in dentistry who treat a wide variety of diseases, injuries, and defects in the head and neck, face, and jaw region, including the hard and soft tissues of the oral cavity. Let it be wisdom tooth removal, let it be corrective jaw surgeries, let it be road accident surgeries. They fix uneven bite and they do facial reconstruction post accidents and oral cancers. Branch number 8, oral pathology, the dental detectives. They diagnose and study cases and effects of diseases which include the oral region. They examine saliva, do blood tests and biopsies to identify oral diseases in general. Branch number 9, Public Health Dentistry, the community advocates. They focus on preventing and controlling dental diseases and promote oral health through dental camps in school, where they educate patients why they need to visit a dentist if they have any dental issues, why they need to have fluoridation in water so that the tooth decay is lessened in number, why the amount of fluoride in water can cause them dental fluorosis in general, causing dark stains on their permanent tooth. And I am a general dental surgeon, your primary care provider. We do routine dental checkups, biannual dental cleaning, simple fillings, teeth removal, root canal procedures, placement of caps, placement of bridges, and we diagnose and refer you to a specialist when you have precancerous condition or lesions. And we also treat gum diseases, periodontal diseases. If needed, we do refer to a specialist. Modern dentistry is incredibly advanced, and these are highly trained experts for every part of your mouth. If you ever need to see a specialist, your general dentist will guide you. If you enjoyed learning about the science of smiles, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more talks on dental content. Thanks for watching.